Hi friends, welcome to Venus Blue Roses. In this video, I am going to show two recipes. Pasta in white sauce and another one is one garlic flavored with cinnamon bread. Let's begin to make pasta. To make this white sauce pasta, I have used penne rigetti variety of pasta. This much I have taken for one person. Now the other ingredients I have taken are some bell peppers chopped, any color you can take, some broccoli and carrots. Let's begin. First we will cook the pasta and kept it ready. For that I have heated one heavy bottomed pan and added water. Here I have used hot water. You can use normal water as well. Add the required salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil so that the pasta won't stick to each other. As we poke it, you can feel it has become soft. At this stage, we can switch off the flame, strain the water and keep this pasta aside. Now to saute vegetables, I have heated one pan and added butter. Sauteing vegetables in butter gives extra flavor to our pasta. We can blanch the vegetables and use as well. Don't burn. Keep the flame in low and saute it. Bell peppers I am sauteing separately as it gets cooked really fast. So first I remove this and add bell peppers and saute. Now everything is ready. We will keep this aside. Now let's begin to make bechamel sauce or white sauce. For that, butter and flour must be in 1:1 ratio. Let's see how to make this. It's always better to use a heavy bottomed pan to make this sauce. Now I am adding butter. Keep the flame in low. Use a whisk so that we can spread it easily. Once the butter melts completely, we will add same quantity of all-purpose flour. Keep on stirring and add. Now at this stage, I am switching off the flame and doing to avoid burning off this mixture. Now it's mixed properly. We are not going to add full 1 cup milk at one stretch. We will be adding little by little to avoid the lump formation. So let's begin to add milk. Add little, mix it. If lumps formed, our sauce won't be good. So make sure to stir and add milk little by little. Keep on mixing and make sure to break if any lumps have formed so that everything cooks nicely and we will get a creamy texture. Now it's almost okay. Now we will add rest of the milk. Mix everything and I am going to switch on the flame. Keep the flame in medium or low so that it won't get burnt fast. We need a creamy thick sauce. We have to cook until it gets creamy. Keep on stirring. It will thicken fast. Now you can see it has thickened. Here I am showing this in detail so that even beginners can cook it easily. If the sauce is not good, our pasta won't taste better. So make sure to cook the sauce perfectly. At this stage you can add cheese if you like. Now to it we will add the cooked pasta. Let's add and cook for some time so that the white sauce get absorbed into the pasta really well. Now let's add the sauteed veggies to it. Cook only for 1 to 2 minutes until this pasta and vegetables gets absorbed into the white sauce. You can add any vegetables of your choice. If you are not fond of bell pepper taste, please don't add because it changes whole taste of it. Now it's almost done. Check for salt. Now to it I am adding dried parsley. Without herbs our Italian pasta won't taste good. So let's add some parsley. If you like some spice, add dried red chili flakes. Make this white sauce pasta and let me know your feedbacks. Now let's see how to make a garlic bread with cinnamon flavor. Now to make this I have taken some garlic cloves. Pound this in a mortar and pestle. To it add butter and mix it properly. Now to give some flavor I am adding some parsley. You can add coriander leaves instead. Mix everything. Just warm it up so that we can mix it easily. Don't melt completely, just warm it up and it's ready. Now let's begin. Heat a dosha tawa or pan. Keep the bread slices. To it I am going to add a mixture of powdered sugar and cinnamon powder. Now this is the cinnamon powder here I am using. Mix this with powdered sugar. Now let's spread it over our bread slices. This powdered sugar helps the garlic to coat it properly and cinnamon gives nice flavor and aroma to our bread. Try this. It's an easy fix. Now let's add the garlic and butter spread. Now heat both the sides. As the butter melts and sugar caramelizes, we will get a nice aroma of this garlic and cinnamon. This is such a beautiful, tasty recipe. Give it a try and send me your feedbacks. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses and remember to press the bell so that you will get notified as and when I post new videos.